everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to go in depth on all the beautiful noises that this twin turbo V8 monster produces. I'll get you guys some sound clips, some driving videos. I'm also going to cover what's done to this exhaust system. So let's fire this bad boy up. Okay, we're taking a quick break here at the local Cars and Coffee. I'm meeting up with some Audi friends. We're checking out the cars and grabbing tacos while the sun sets. And maybe we'll see some flames in the S6 later. So let's talk about this exhaust system. Starting at the intake, TGK Motorsports intake and their blow-off valve conversion. Moving on to the exhaust, the car has Redstar Catless downpipes, as well as an AWE touring exhaust. I feel like the setup has a nice refined, meaty, deep tone to it without being overly obnoxious. Here's what it sounds like in the cabin, doing a little pull. The V8 noise never gets old. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you want to see more Audi action. Please drop a comment on what you think of the exhaust system and what videos you want to see me put out next. I have some bad news for you guys on the B5 S4, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.